Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Mr. Campbell with a new recording. Today, there's an update with Facebook.com. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to record that as I go through the first time so you can see everything because it's going to update on the desktop. The mobile version is still the same. So this is the first thing that you're going to see. You're going to have the option to do a dark mode. You can catch up quickly with faster loading times, and things are going to be a lot cleaner and easier with bigger text. You can already see behind where the things are here. So we're going to click on next. You'll have the option to go to a light mode or a dark mode. I'm going to keep it on light mode. You can switch over here to classic right here. And what you'll see here is there's a much cleaner look at the top. I'm also in a group, so when I click on my home, you'll see all of my feed here, different groups of things that I'm part of. Birthdays over here at the top, so you can see those. Here's your feed. Here's your stories, your Instagram stories. Again, across the top, here's pages that I am in charge of or that I am connected with. You'll see that I have notifications and updates here on these. You'll also see the videos that are here. You can go to the marketplace here, which is a little bit easier. You can go to your groups, and again, you'll see the groups down here. The little blue dot recommends that there is new posts that you can view or follow. You'll have your tab here. This is where you would be able to change or update your own page there. You can create here, which is nice. It's just a little plus button here. You have all of your options to create something new, a post, a story, a life event, different things like that. Again, if we go over here, this is going to be our messages that are coming in. If we click on messages, and then we're going to have our notifications here. You'll see there's all these notifications that you have. And again, if you wanted to switch to the classic, you could switch here. It's going to ask you to rate. I'll just do 5 stars, and then we're going to go back. And they'll probably do this for a little while before they make everybody go to the new function. There's that. You can also switch on dark mode here. There's dark mode. And you can give us Facebook feedback there. So again, this is the new Facebook.com or Facebook for desktop, laptop, non-mobile version. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and thank you for what you do for kids on a daily basis. If this video saved you time, energy, and frustration, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with your teacher friends. You can subscribe by clicking up here, or you can watch another video either here or here. Again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.